Hey guys, I just want to talk to you about something. Those of y'all who live out in the boonies like I do, kind of like away from the city to where you can't get like regular internet like Uverse or Charter or something like that. I can get landline internet here, but it's so flippin' slow that it takes like 5 hours to upload a video to YouTube. So I put up with that for like 2 years, and that was part of the reason that it took me so long to get back online. To start uploading videos again, I was disgusted with the internet service, and so I went with HughesNet. But the downside to HughesNet, the router's in my bedroom. Let me turn the light on. Whenever these lights are not flickering, you're not using any data. But I have two TVs. I have one in my bedroom and I have one in my living room, and they both have those Google Chromecasts on them, so I can stream Netflix and stuff like that, YouTube. Excuse me. But a month went by, and I kept noticing that. See how one of them flashed? I just turned my computer on, so there's probably an app on the computer that requires a little bit of internet. But my lights, they just flash and wigging in and out, and I was like, everything in this house is turned off, Wi-Fi wise. My phone is on 3G, but I was like, what is killing my data? Because I was going through half the month, and hell, all my data was gone. I only have the 30 gig plan, and so whenever I signed up for YouTube TV, which sucks, I got rid of it. It's $35 a month, and it's hard to navigate through there, and hell, everything on there I can get and watch on pretty much free on Netflix. It's for $10 a month. I can watch all the. I can go to the. If I want to watch the news, I'll just go to channel8.com and watch the news. I mean, hell, I'm not going to pay somebody $35 a month to watch the news. But anyway, for the promotion for YouTube TV, they sent you a Chromecast. Well, this one had an electric cord that plugged into the wall. This one I had plugged in down here. And what happens is, let me turn this TV on. And these little standby screens, let's see, I'll show you. These high resolution pictures that are in the background on the Chromecast. What do you want? Hold on just a second. Hey, Sweet Pea, I'm right in the middle of a video. Can I call you back?
Sure, sugar.
Okay. I'll call you back in a little bit. Alright, bye. Okay, see, here's that high resolution picture. With the Chromecast plugged into the wall, with the TV off, it's still, see there? You're running gigs. It's eating up data right there. From what I understand, when I called Chrome or Google, they said these pictures, if you just leave them in the background, eat up 15 gigs per month, and they swap out every minute or so. So what you got to do, you have to take your Chromecast. Here, I'll turn this TV. Take the Chromecast cable and plug it into the USB port on the TV. So whenever you turn the TV off, the Chromecast turns off. And it should stop. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, those of y'all who have a limited data program like I've got, you've got to count. I mean, you got to watch your data. You can't just be on, you know, the Wi-Fi 24 hours a day. It'll just your internet will go to zero. But if you have any questions about this, I was like, it took me a month to figure out what the hell, you know. But a little bit of search on the internet, and I was like, well, crap. So I just plug it into the USB on the TV. So it's good to go. If you have any questions, let me know. More Medic 1. Have a good day.